No, we're not taking a picture. Tell Mommy what letter this is. F. Okay, you hold it. Okay. You ready? What letter?
O.
Is that an R?
O.
Okay.
P.
What letter is that? What is it? X. How about this one?
N.
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 Okay, how about this one?
Q.
Q. Okay, how about that one?
U.
A U? How about this one?
K.
Oh, is that a K? What's this one?
P. V.
What is it?
V.
A V. What's this one?
A.
A.
U. O. U. O. U. O.
What's that?
O. E.
What is that?
M.
No, it's not a... Well, you're looking at that side. What's this side?
O.
L.
M.
No, it's not a 1.
O.
What letter is this?
M.
M.
Dada.
How about this one?
Oi.
Y. How about that one?
T.
T.
Bobby.
What's that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm holding it upside down. J. How about that one?
Dada.
W.
M.
No, it's a W. That one's not an M. How about that one?
B.
Well, that one's a D. Ready? What's this one?
P.
What is it? Are you still holding that D? Can you tell Mommy what...
P. P.
Yeah, it kind of looks like a P. That's a little D. What's this one?
C.
C? You know this one?
B.
That is a B. How about this one?
P.
What is this?
P.
That's not a P. This is a G. Oh,
P.
you're looking at the B. I see. Do you know this one?
C. Nay.
What is this? Are you getting distracted?